Hello, I'm Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. I've been buying and restoring old classic fedoras and trilbys for quite a while now, and I've been building up my own collection. More recently, I've started to sell a few because the collection got a bit big, and some of you have probably bought them on eBay or wherever they've been available. This has created interest along with the videos that I've done on YouTube, which have been great fun to do. And people have asked me, am I going to actually make and sell some hats? So yes, in essence, yeah, I've been out, I've researched equipment, I've bought equipment, and I've actually set up my own brand now. That brand is PJ Murphy and Sons. And I actually like creating hats that have got a sort of modern twist on the 1930s and 40s feel, a bit like this one that I've got on now. And what makes it that is the high crown at the front and the wide brim. So it's a fedora, if you like, with an accentuated front. As part of what PJ Murphy and Sons will be doing, we're going to be offering ready-to-wear hats, made-to-measure bespoke hats, and restoring classic hats of distinction, something I've been doing for quite a while now, and also repairing hats. All of us have got a favourite, probably seen a bit better days, and could do with a good reblocking or steaming repair. With that in mind, I'm going to take you through some of our new hats, and these will be available on our website shortly, but also in my Passion for Hats eBay shop. So Passion for Hats videos will still be going, and I'll be doing the restoration of hats as well as bringing to you some of the new hats that I'm making, so you can perhaps get some good ideas about what you might want, or indeed buy one of the ones that I've created. Let's start introducing you to some of these new hats. Here I've got a fedora, and it's in black, and it's a fur felt, a rabbit and beaver fur felt. I think it's if I remember rightly, looking at the sheet from Fedora here, it's 95% beaver fur and 5% rabbit fur. So it's a very soft, pliable hat. Very nice feel to it. It's a charcoal grey, and it's 100-gram weight. So really quite light, to be fair. It's got a special pounce on it, and it's got a 0.8 stiffening. So it's reasonably possible to give it some shape. I love this hat. I made this one really for myself. I was going to a funeral actually, but I've also got a grey suit that this goes really nicely with. And give you some dimensions, it's at the front here, it's 12.5 centimetres at the crown. The brim itself is just over 7.5 centimetres, so about just under 8 centimetres, I guess. Oh, excuse me. I've actually trimmed the brim with grosgrain, about a 15mm grosgrain, which is always a lovely finish. I do like that, especially in these finer felts, because of course they hold their shape better when they've got that edging to it. The actual grosgrain on the top here is a black grosgrain with a beautiful bow on it. Now with my bows, what I do as a trademark, if you like, on the bow is that I go double bow this side and double bow this side, and then really keep them quite tight into the hat itself. And I particularly like that. I think it uses up more material, but hey, you know, it looks really nice. So the actual size of the grosgrain is a 38mm, and it's got a teardrop shape to the crown, and at the back here you can see it really does rake back, doesn't it? At the back of the hat it's about 9 centimetres, so there's quite a rake from the front to the back. So I'll show you what that's like on. There we are, quite a nice sort of absolutely super feel to it, really nice. And then Inside we've got one of our new linings, and oh, this one I haven't put the personalisation on the leather. I think it was, I was in a bit of a rush that day, but fully lined and very, very light, and this one will be available very soon. If you like what you see here today, but it's not in your size or in your colour, and you would like to personalise one for you, reach out and let's have a chat about a custom package specifically for your requirements. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.